Hi everyone, welcome back our channel. What is the Enum? Why you use the Enum in the real-time coding in the production level? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? Total we are discussing in this session and coding also. Let's start. What is the Enum in Java? Enum is a special data type used to define fixed set of constants. In Java, enumeration is both. It is a special data type and class. It internally implemented the special class. When use the enum keyword, the Java compiler automatically converted to the class extended built-in java.long enumerated abstract class. What is the special data type? Define a predefined set of constants, strict type of safety, compile time, restrict variable to only let the assigning value, integrate the directed switch statements also. What are the benefits? Type safety, no type issues, admin versus admin, capital and small, better database consistency, easier validation, enterprise standard. Example, gender. Take the male, female, other. Usage, for example, patient microservice, name and gender. Provide the in the Lombok getters and setters. Create the object of gender. Patient dot set gender, gender dot male directly. Get it male. Why use enumeration in the class? Without enumeration, private gender problem is the typo. Male, name is the capital, only small letters, and all capital letters. These are the typo issue in the without enum. No validation except at compilation time. With enum, set the gender dot male. Only predefined values are allowed. Those are yes, male, female, others. Yes. Next, advantages of the type safety. Only valid values can be assigned gender.male without using provide a compile time error is a capital M, remaining are small. Avoid the magical strings. This is the bad thing to gender dot equals equal case. Don't use this. Use a good one. If gender equal gender dot male. Better readability, easy to understanding. Example, order status, pending, shipped, deliver. This type of better readability. Fourth advantage is centralized constants. For example, public enum, order status plus. These are the types pending, process, shipping, delivered, cancel. The steps. All values are maintained at one place. This is the one class maintaining the all types. This is the fifth advantage is support method and constructors. The enum, role class, admin user, normal user. In the description, provide the user description and also get the description. Usage, sysout run external printing, role.admin, get the description, get the role.admin, the admin user. Sixth advantages used in the switch statements also in the enum. Switch the state, case 1 pending, case 2 shipped. Order is pending, order is shipped. Disadvantages of enums. Fixed value cannot change at runtime. Cannot at runtime. For example, country India, US cannot be added to the country in the runtime. Canada without modifying the code. Second disadvantage required deployment. Add a new value required. Code changes, rebuild, redeploy the entire application. If any requirement, redeploy it. Third one, not suitable for dynamic data. Add example, the employee name Ram Sham Krishna. Those are the examples of names. Employee names comes from the database and change it in frequently. Use the database table not used for the database related. When to use When to use enum when fixed, unknown, known the advantage, really chain. Example of these are the male, female, others. Order status, types, pending process shipped to deliver cancel. Role type, admin, doctor, patient, receptionist. Payment type, success. Payment was success or failed or pending. Next, when to use enum. Don't use enum for employee names, product names, cities, customers, database records. These are the dynamic should become the database. In these places, don't use the enum. Enum in a Spring Boot patient microservice. Gender enum class, male, female, other. The patient entity class provide the annotation, enumerated, enum type string, your database values, first name and gender type. Enum type dot string is recommended because it stores readable values and avoid the issues if enum order changes. Quickly recap the enum. Enum is a special data type used to represent a fixed set of constants. It provide the type safety, improve the readability, avoid the magic strings. Is a commonly used for statuses, roles, genders, and other predefined values. Examples: gender, order status, payment, user roles. Advantages: type safety, better readability, centralized constants, support methods and constants. Disadvantage: fixed value cannot be modified at runtime, not suitable for dynamic data sets, databases. Best practices in the Spring Boot: enumerated enum type in the gender. To store enum names as a string is the data is a safer and enumeration type dot original. These are the enum type user real-time coding production level we use. If at any point of time, if this is the useful information, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please like, share, comment. Thank you for watching.